So what if I could actually show you one tool that you can use in your event planning business to level up your client experience and help you book clients over and over again? Well, you don't have to wait because I'm going to show you exactly that in today's video. Hi, I'm Jody Ann, founder of the Event Certificate and EventPlanningTemplates.com, and I work with event planners and wedding planners just like you to help you up-level your online marketing. So today I'm actually bringing on Can Howden, and Can is an event designer based here in Toronto where I'm located, and what she's going to share with you is how she actually uses Canva. I know, Canva, to do digital mock-ups for her clients so they can see what their event would look like before the actual event day. And guys, believe me, when I first saw this, I was blown away. From backdrop to tablescapes, she actually does it all. So I'm just gonna let her show you exactly what she does. And trust me when I say you're gonna wanna check her out.
Hello everyone, my name is Can and I'm the owner and creative director here at Celebration Stylist, an event design firm based out in Toronto. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you guys exactly how you can create your own digital mockups using this pre-made template that I have here on Canva. Yes, Canva. So what I'm doing here, I'm just starting off with the black sequined tabletop, charger plate. I love it. It's classic. And I'm just going to be adding on a pre-made menu that I have. The knotted napkin, it's been like my favorite so far for a couple years now. I just find it's very classic. So I tend to include that into a lot of my designs. Next, we want the floral. So we want the floral to be our centerpiece. Next, we're just going to bring in the cutlery or flatware. I decided to go with a gold here just to make it pop. This is for my client's 40th birthday. So she wanted something that was a bit sophisticated, trendy, and just timeless. So we decided to go with the gold flatware. So here I'm just scaling everything down to size. And you're probably wondering, okay, why is she putting this on an angle? So I'm putting it on an angle because the table that I have, or that we'll be using, is going to be a round table. So I just wanted to show the illusion of it being a round table. Okay, great. So now I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to add in your tables, your tabletop decor, and your chairs. It really just ties the whole event together, especially to be able to show your clients exactly how the setup will look on their event day. Alright, so I'm just incorporating the vase here, and I'm taking the same florals that I had on the aerial tablescape, and I'm making it in the full version to show the client exactly what it will look like. Right, so I'm just scaling it to size. And now I'll be adding in the chairs. And I'll be scaling everything to size to make sure that everything looks realistic. And with the chairs, you do get different various angles. So you do have the side angle, you have the front facing, and then with some of them you do have the back as well. So if you were to have a square table, you'll be able to use all of them to create your setup. Just adding in the candles that I had on the aerial view, kind of in the same fashion, in groups of 3 on either side of the centerpiece. All right, so with all of my designs, I like to have everything branded. So for this particular design, I'm going to create these circles where I input all of the items that will be on the table. So the drinkware, the candles, and the table number. And of course, keeping with the branding, I always make everything custom, so it is specifically for that client. I make sure to incorporate their name. The clients love that because it makes it more personable, and that's what I tend to do. Okay, so next now I'm going to do the bar section of the party. So here within the digital Canva mock-up, that includes all different backdrops, balloons, cake tables, cake stands. So I'm just building out the design now. I just added the drapes, I added the curved walls, and now I'm just doing some of the florals. Yeah, I'm making this really spectacular for Ashley. So since this is her 40th, I definitely want to incorporate the neon lights. Um, so I'm just building it out here, just writing Ashley's 40th, and this will be over by her bar section. The best thing about creating the designs digitally is that you can literally delete and start over, um, without any issues. Instead of you going out to the vendors, finding the items, trying to create it, doing it digitally, it just makes everything easier. And it's also great for sourcing as well. So if you have an idea within your mind and you need to find vendors, you can easily just show them this design and see if they're capable of creating something like it. What party would be a party without some balloons? So of course I'm going to add in the balloons. Once again, these balloons are included with the digital mock-up course. And I actually have a promo going on now where there's a bundle set. So you can get the tablescape class along with the digital mock-up class, which has all the different backdrops, balloons, and florals. I'm doing a bundle sale with those, so please do check it out at the link provided. So that way you can create the ultimate party. All right, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys loved it as much as I loved creating it. So please do log on and see exactly what these courses are all about. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. And I hope you were as impressed as I was, because let me tell you, Can actually does offer the Canva course showing exactly how to do what she does online. So if you're looking for virtual learning, it's available. Now you can find her on Instagram at Celebration Stylist or her website, celebrationstylist.com. But I'm going to link everything down below for you so you can check her out, check her website, as well as check out her Canva course. So thanks so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this week after week.